Today we're going to use Trimble Field Link to prepare data for our field crews. First of all, we're going to sign into Trimble Connect inside of Trimble Field Link Office to download the latest model that we have for this job site. So you can see now that we've signed in, we're navigating to our location on Trimble Connect server to the file that we want to download. We're going to open that file locally. We're going to overwrite our existing file to make sure we're using the latest version. You can now see our model here inside of Trimble Field Link and a simple navigation to zoom in and out. We're now going to use the create function inside of Trimble Field Link to create some points on a retaining wall, and we're going to have the option to add an interval and an offset for the layout points. We can also select the layout if we wish to place that on in our model. So now the points have been created. This is what we're asking our field crews to do. We're now going to upload this prepared file onto Trimble Connect so that we have access for our field crews. We're just uploading the file to that same location. And it's going to overwrite that file so that it's updated with the information that we've prepared. Now the field crews are now going to use Trimble Field Link on their tablet. They're going to sign into Trimble Connect, making sure that they have some sort of connection to the internet to do this. And we're going to navigate to that same file location and download the file that we've prepared for them. The field crew also have the option to carry out the same process with Trimble Field Link in the field if they need to. So we're going to overwrite the existing file so that we have the latest update. Now the field crew now will see the data we've prepared for them for their layout tasks. So they now see these layout points, and they're going to connect to their instrument, and they're going to start getting navigation from the instrument through Trimble Field Link. We're using a layout rod, and they're getting up-to-date navigation in the field here. Once they get close to the point, they'll get a targeted confirmation that they're within tolerance. We're going to lay that out. Now you can see the series of points that we've laid out. We're now going to upload that file back up onto Trimble Connect so the people in the office can review that file. So back in the office, we're now going to review that same file, downloading it from Trimble Connect. And we can see all these points that have been laid out. Those have been staked out to tolerance and out of tolerance. And we can also review that in a report that can be saved as a record for later review.